Imagine this. You're standing at the airport, suitcase in hand, thinking you've packed perfectly. But the world of travel has changed. Airports, planes, and security rules move faster than ever. Yet many travelers still pack like it's 2010. Bulky gadgets, outdated tools, even banned items that slow them down. Before your next flight, peek inside your luggage. Today, we're breaking down 10 outdated travel items to ditch, plus the 5 biggest airport mistakes that could get you flagged or stopped on the spot, and how to avoid them. There was a time when those leather passport booklets felt classy, like a mark of a well-traveled pro, but now they're more trouble than they're worth. At security, TSA makes you pull the passport out every single time, turning that little cover into an annoying extra step of unzipping, flipping, and fumbling while the line crawls behind you. Instead, keep your passport easy to grab in a jacket or bag pocket just for the checkpoint. Afterward, tuck it into a secure zipped pocket. And before you even leave home, snap a photo of the info page and store it safely on your phone in case it ever goes missing. Think about your everyday wallet. Thick, stuffed with old receipts and cards you never use. Taking that on an international trip is asking for trouble. It's bulky, easy to grab, and modern pickpockets can even skim some cards digitally without touching you. Instead, carry a slim RFID blocking travel wallet with only the essentials. One main card, your ID, and a backup. The smaller your wallet, the safer and easier your travels become. Those soft duffel bags that hang from your shoulder, they scream adventure. But after 3 terminals and 2 layovers, they can wreck your back. Even the trendy crossbody duffels are awkward, especially when you're sprinting through busy airports. A smarter choice is a rolling duffel or a compact spinner backpack. They glide effortlessly through terminals, fit easily in overhead bins, and spare your shoulders from serious strain, making travel smoother, faster, and way less painful. If your suitcase still has only 2 wheels, you'll feel it the moment you hit long airport corridors. Dragging it behind you is tiring, awkward, and slow. The modern solution? A 4-wheel spinner suitcase. You can push it upright, spin it through narrow aisles, and glide effortlessly into restrooms or cafes without wrestling your bag. It's one of those simple upgrades that instantly makes travel smoother, faster, and far less exhausting. A small change with a big impact on every trip. If your power bank has been around since 2018, it's time to retire it. Older models can overheat and even pose fire risks mid-flight, which is why airlines ban them from checked luggage. Upgrade to a modern charger with built-in safety sensors and automatic shut-off features. Compact, powerful, and safe, brands like Anchor and Belcon make it easy to keep your devices charged without any travel risks. Packing shoes for every possible situation? That's a classic travel trap. Heavy sneakers and boots take up precious luggage space and weigh your bag down, something airlines are all too happy to charge extra for. A smarter strategy is simple. Wear your bulkiest pair on the plane and pack 1 lightweight pair for walking. Need sneakers? Opt for waterproof travel shoes with removable insoles. They're compact, comfortable, and versatile enough for almost any destination, saving space and hassle in your luggage. Over-ear headphones used to be the go-to travel companion. But let's be honest, they're bulky, tangle constantly, and make moving around on long flights a hassle. A smarter option? Wireless earbuds with noise cancellation and a short safety tether. They save space, reduce clutter, and still block out crying babies and engine noise, keeping your journey comfortable, simple, and stress-free. We've all fallen into that just-in-case trap, packing extra chargers, backup sweaters, or multiple pairs of headphones thinking we might need them. The reality? Most of these items sit unused, take up space, add weight, and test your patience. Travel smart. Pack for the trip you're actually taking, not the one you imagine. TSA and airport security are always watching, and if you make just one of these 5 mistakes, you could be stopped on the spot or hit with surprise fees. Keep it simple, organized, and stress-free.
Let's start with a big one: everyday items that are banned. You'd think it's obvious, but you'd be surprised what people try to sneak past TSA. And no, we're not talking Hollywood stuff like guns or grenades. Some of the worst offenders are everyday items you probably carry right now, like a metal water bottle. Harmless? Maybe. On an X-ray scanner, it could look like a pipe bomb. And liquids, the classic airport villain. Remember the golden rule: 3-1-1. 3.4 ounces per container, 1 bag per person. Break it, and suddenly you're unpacking shampoo in front of a line of angry travelers. Check the TSA banned items list before you fly. It keeps changing, and staying smart keeps you moving. You reach airport security, lines creeping forward, heart racing, and it's finally your turn. You unzip your bag, chaos erupts, clothes tumble, toiletries spill, and your boarding pass is buried. Carry-on chaos is optional. Use a clear toiletry bag, packing cubes, and pouches for chargers and gadgets. Keep your ID and boarding pass in an easy-access pocket. A well-organized bag moves you through security like a pro, saving time, stress, and angry looks from TSA. Your bags are packed, but what are you wearing? Dressing like you're climbing Everest might save space, but it'll slow you down at TSA. Heavy boots, metal belts, big watches, and jewelry? Leave them behind. Layering to save space only slows you down. One light sweatshirt is enough. Dress smarter, move fast, and glide through security while everyone else wrestles with their wardrobe. Bags packed, dressed, ready. But bad travel documents can ruin it all. One typo could stop you from boarding. Make sure your boarding pass matches your ID exactly. Triple-check flight dates, times, departure, and arrival cities. Traveling internationally? Passport must be valid at least 6 months past your return. Pro tip: photocopy your passport, visa, license, and credit cards. Backup save your trip when tech fails or things go missing. Documents are your golden ticket. Check them twice, then fly stress-free.
How you act matters. Fidgeting, sweating, or joking about bombs? Big mistake. TSA notices. Eye contact is important. Too little seems sketchy, too much aggressive. A quick, confident glance says, "I'm normal, I've got nothing to hide." Stay calm, polite, follow the rules, and you're far less likely to be stopped. Your attitude can make the difference between breezing through security or getting flagged.